Hi, I wanted to walk you through a design package I just got from Denise Boddey Designs. She's out of Australia, and I just received the package. It's taken it about, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 months to get here to the US. So I was happy it arrived, and I wanted to show you some of the designs I got. So the first one here is called a Deco Corner, large, and there's 2 pieces in there. And then I got this package here that seems to have some sentiments. Let's just take a look. It says, moment in time, special moments, memories, awesome, fantastic, amazing, and then a circle and a circle frame. Let me just slide those back into the package here. And those came unpackaged, so I'm not sure what set they belong to, or even if they're released yet. Then I got this package that has 2 dragonflies in it, and it's called Dragonfly Small, and I'll show you the larger one in just a few minutes. And then the next piece I got is this arch, decorative arch. Again, there's 2 pieces in there. It's called Deco Tab Half Circle. Here's another package, unlabeled, but we've got a decorative kind of square type shape with an insert. Now these are all chipboard and they're laser cut, so you may find pieces like this right here, and all you have to do is remove those, and or same like this here where they're still attached, and you just can gently push on those to remove them. The laser didn't cut completely through the design. So and then there's these 2 pieces here, which look like leaves, or they're almost heart-shaped leaves. Real cute. And once again, here's another piece that just needs to be removed. You'll notice on my fingers that I'm getting a little bit of residue. That's from the burning of the laser through the chipboard. It does that. It is a burning process, and if you smell your pieces, you may even get a slight fire smell from them, because that's how the laser works. Here's some pieces that, you know, almost look like clock hands to me, and then here is a window with shutters, and once again, this doesn't have a name on the design package. Here's another window. This one's called Arch Window. And looks like a set of leaves, or maybe even flowers. This one is called Foliage Small. 2 pieces in there. This looks like one. It's a Deco Doily Small, and it looks like there's only 1 piece in this package. This one has a few pieces that need to be pushed out, and it looks like this is a thicker piece and only 1 that's in here. This is called Vienna Flourish Small. This piece again is a little bit thicker and only 1 included in the package. And this is called Vienna Scroll Rectangle Medium, so similar theme to the one that I just showed you. Here are some more dragonflies. This is a different size. It looks like there's 4 in the package. Dragonfly Petite, so there's 4. And then here's the big guy. This one is called Dragonfly Lace. So there's the big dragonfly, quite large. I can see this on like a 12 by 12 sheet. It is quite large. So we're getting into the larger pieces here. This one's beautiful. Once again, just 1 piece, and a little bit thinner than some of the others. This is Wildflower Circle Medium. And then this is the last one of the chipboard, and it's a square, and it is called Fern Square. Isn't that pretty? You know, I could see not only painting these, foiling them, embossing them, but they would also work great as stencils, I would imagine, as well. And then I got some papers, and I believe they call these card toppers. So let me just open this up. Sorry for the crinkling noise. And let's take a look at the printed pieces. So we've got this pretty one with pumpkins. This one I've actually used just from a digital printout. Now white on the back. There's another one, kind of goes with the green one I just showed you. Pretty. You could cut these out, you could use them as a background. You've got some singular elements here that would be nice to cut out. And then you have the bunches of florals and pumpkins down here, when you can see that they're put together with the vase and with the watering can. So that's everything I got with my design team package. This design team is new and just getting started, so I hope you take a moment to look at her site, and I will link it below in the comments. Thanks.